What is that?
A water bottle.
Good morning.
Hello, we're going to a vacation in Thunder Bay. And this water bottle won't help, please.
So right after the blizzard, Ontario side just opened around.
That is where our old classmate Alphonse was. It was right beside Ontario.
Yeah.
I just remember that.
But the highways are still closed.
I'm scared. Where are we going down?
That's my whole goal.
Mama, the candy.
Thank you for bringing my coffee.
Candy.
Okay, here's the stop sign. And they're still clearing up the road, see? Okay.
Mint.
So we're going in.
Going out.
We're going in the main highway.
Are they putting like signs if it's closed?
Yes.
Exposing this? What did you say?
We're going in the main highway. So this is Highway 1 going straight.
It isn't straight.
Yeah, it's not straight, but
It's
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
fresh snow, everything is white. Right? It's not too bad. Pretty. Just like that baby.
how big my feet is.
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
Oh, we all go in, come on. Nagmas ka. Still snowing.
It is cold.
It is not that cold.
Yeah. We're gonna have to cold.
Oh! Right on. Yeah.
This one's bucket.
Yeah, way smaller than Winnipeg.
Yeah, but this part of this thing.
Oh, huh? And taking a big town. Now it's snowing again. There's a cup.
Slide.
Hmm?
Big giant slide. Car. The slide's not over. We're going up. And we're going to go.
Look at that ice. Okay. liters. 92 bucks. Not too bad. Takabeka Falls, 3 hours. Okay.
And then will we go to? And then can we go to Thunder Bay?
No, that is Thunder Bay.
Oh.
Oh, look at all the Tesla charging stations. So if we're going to buy a Tesla, we're gonna charge there.
Where?
There, that one there. But you're gonna be sitting there for 30 minutes. What are you watching?
Huh?
What are you watching?
Hold on.
It's actually our first time heading east. The furthest we've been from Winnipeg towards the east was Falcon Lake naman, no? And this baby is there at the back. So we're just trying to explore the east side of the province, which is Ontario. And the baby is and yeah, it's Easter long weekend. It is supposed to be spring, but everything is still white. Everything is white. It is still winter.
It is not spring.
No, it is not spring just yet.
It is winter forever.
Winter forever.
There is no more spring, fall, or summer. So say goodbye to days.
Yes.
Because they're all going to go away. It's going to be winter forever.
Yeah, and it's not actually too bad of a drive. It's very nice, to be honest.
We might even go there.
Go where?
What do you think?
Thunder Bay?
Yes.
And we chose Thunder Bay because that is actually the next big city from Winnipeg towards the east. Like there's a couple smaller towns like Kenora, the ship passed by a while ago,
Oh.
but it's nothing like Dryden. Yes.
Ontario.
Yes.
We're open for business.
Open for business.
What do you mean open for business, Ontario? Are you for sale?
This is our first like long drive.
In a while.
Yes, in a while. And this is our first long drive with the truck. Right? The last drive we had was with Everest, the Jeep. I'm pretty happy with it. Like it drives stock. Even though it got 35s on 3-inch lifts on here. But it still drives pretty smooth. You can feel it. So pretty comfy, pretty roomy inside. Got tons of cup holders, tons of charging ports.
Papa,
Yeah?
it is not for me.
Why?
My legs don't stretch.
Your legs doesn't reach?
To walk.
And yeah, going on an incline up this mountain, doing 110, 105 on adaptive cruise control. What time is it in Winnipeg right now?
The time in Winnipeg, Canada, is 11:09 a.m.
What? So that's why it seemed off. I just forgot that Thunder Bay is a different time zone. And my daughter told me that each province has...
Different time zone.
What? A 7-hour drive, I didn't thought it would be on a different time zone. I'm driving. bad of a drive. Actually enjoyed it. I'm just gonna find a truck stop so that I could stretch my legs because it's hurting.
Your feet? Go walk outside, but it's cold.
Mm.
No?
Just need to stretch. Ow.
I got 2 naps.
You got more than 2 naps. So we're in the middle of, I don't know where we are. Huh?
Middle, if we don't know where we are and we're in the middle of something, you're in college, you're in the middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere, where it says here Punjab restaurant.
Then you're in the middle of Punjab restaurant.
Anyway, I'm all good. All set to roll again. Mm-mm.
I can have my nappy.
Yeah, you can have your nappy.
Yeah, it's just that.
Happy Land Campground. Okay, we're almost here. 10 minutes away. And the baby is awake already. Wow, no, still sleeping. Huh? Mountain.
I can see our destination.
Yeah. It's like 5 minutes away.
What? No, it's only -3. But you have
That's why you have your
pants and your jacket.
proper snow pants. To our Please Bay. Okay. To our permit. Ay.
Papa meant not much people around.
Yeah, that's what I meant. think I see our hotel.
Oh, and this is the church. Or the other.
This is our hotel?
Yeah. Lobby entrance.
Can we
go check it out first. What? You're not going with Mama? So this hotel, look, because we're gonna be staying for tonight. I mean, for 2 nights. It's an interesting one. This used to be a old courthouse. Oh. Oh, pretty big. This is a big. And you can see the sleeping giant from here.
Yeah, it's like the main attraction of the hotel.
Yes.
And then breakfast will be served here inside the room 8 p.m.
Okay.
Ooh, can I take off my boots?
This is a pretty sweet.
I love this
Shall
car.
we relax and you get all the stuff?
Okay. You give the tour of the room.
Huh? Okay, so where should I put this? I'll leave this here.
This is the door. So big door.
That's humongous. Even a giant can do it.
And then
And then here's the closet for your shoes and your jackets. And here's the fun part, the bed.
whoa!
I can still do it. Yes.
Yeah,
Here's
there's
the 2 beds.
mm-hmm.
Here's the TV, remote, coffee maker, the fridge, and here's some flowers.
What's in the drawers?
Nothing. Oh, part of this, mind you.
And then
And here's the couch. And come close. From here you can see a sleeping giant. I didn't know it was I thought it was an actual real sleeping giant.
no, it's an island.
Hey, Mama. And here is the bathroom. Oh, look the window. Uh-oh. And here's the sink, toilet, bath.